Facial protection for workers. 1. Protective eyewear, open vented. These provide ventilation, which helps prevent fogging. They are suitable for tasks involving low levels of dust and small particles. Closed vented. These fit snugly against the face, offering protection from dust, splashes, and various particles, and are equipped with ventilation to prevent fogging. Second, protective visors. Transparent, made of polycarbonate or acrylic. They offer protection from flying particles, splashes of chemical substances, and sparks. Mesh masks, intended for garden and forestry work, they provide ventilation and protection from larger particles. Third, welding masks and visors. They offer protection from intense light from ultraviolet and infrared rays, equipped with auto-darkening filters. 4. Respirators and half masks. They protect your respiratory system from dust, aerosols, and harmful vapors. They can be disposable or reusable with interchangeable filters. The best models according to customer reviews. All links are in the description.